Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. So today I have an exciting review that I wanted to do for the past week here. Is these new, I don't know if it's new, but it's new to me, and it's these Crayola nail polishes that supposedly different scented. If you haven't noticed, those are the same people who did the heart to art nail tattoos that I did a couple of weeks ago. So I have that in the description box down below. If you want to check that out, you should check that out after this video, of course. And it will be in the eye as well. They are supposed to be scented nail polishes when the nail polishes dry. I'll go through each of the colors when I do them and see how they smell, see how they test out, and see how full coverage and opaque they are with one coat. Do you need more one coat? Who knows? I will show you and see if this product is good. And if you have noticed, last week I did a video of another scented product, so that product was pretty crazy, so you should go check that out after this video as well. So you got some homework to do, 2 videos to watch other besides this one. Okay, so let's see how all this works this week for me. But before you continue watching and look at this quick easy nail tutorial review type of dealio, go down below, subscribe to my channel, get this video a like. I really appreciate everything that you do, like, share, comment, please. And so let's get started with this video. So I just want to point out, it does in the back say where. It says right here, do not put a top coat on. So those are instructions. So it's basically paint your nails. So these are more marketed to children, so there's no base coat, top coat, all that. So I'm just gonna do maybe 2 or 3 coats, see how the first coat is. I'm excited to see if these actually smell scented. Very exciting. So we have 5 colors to test out. So the first color is this nice light purple, which is grape raisin, or is it just grape? The second color is this blueberry one. The third color is this nice, like, I was about to say maple green, but is that right? I don't know. So it's this nice green color. It's called green apple. The fourth color is this nice baby pink, which is cotton candy. I don't know if you can see that. This light is unreal. Okay. Cotton candy. Okay. Cotton candy. And this last one is like this nice pinkish red called bubble gum. We're going to test them out, see how they smell. And now I have put 2 coats of each on each nail. So now I'm going to wait and bring it back up to my face and let them dry, and then see if they smell and tell you my full review of these beautiful Crayola scented nail polishes. Okay guys, hello, welcome back to my face. So I'm going to take each color individually. So the first one is the purple one. The colors do dry pretty quickly, but they're not like fully dry, but they're dry enough. And now it's time for the smell test. So let's smell. So this one is supposed to smell like grape. So this one, it does smell like grape. It has a grapey tinge to it, like grape candy maybe. Let's go on to the blue, which is blueberry. Next one, blueberry. It does have a very nice scent to it. But I don't know if it smells like blueberry. It smells nice. It's not like disgusting, and it's very, I don't know. This one you had to dip in a couple times to cover the whole nail, and definitely the blue one definitely needs a 2 more coats. And this has a little shimmer in it, and it's nice color blue, and it smells good, but I don't know if it smells blueberry. And next we're gonna do a green apple. This is the coverage of 2 coats, and so let's smell and see if this smells like green apple. It sure does smell like green apple, like a green apple candle. This is what it smells like. Next up is, oh shoot, cotton candy. This was, it looks like after 2 coats. I know. Breathe over me. I say this has a slight pleasing bubblegum smell. Very slight. It's not as strong. I think the strongest one so far has been green apple, but the other 2 were kind of like slight, and the grape, I think that's right behind green apple. It smells more like bubblegum than cotton candy, I would say. So, and that's like the next one is the bubblegum smell. So that's concerning, but because to me, like, what is bubblegum gonna smell? If the cotton candy one smells like bubblegum to me. So the cotton candy one smells like bubblegum. Nice coverage. Let's go on to the last color and see if bubblegum smells like bubblegum or what. So this is what it looks like after 2 coats. A very nice color. Now this one does smell like very strong bubblegum. I don't know. Bubblegum does smell like bubblegum, but cotton candy to me still smells like bubblegum than cotton candy. But like I said, I'll do like 3 coats maybe, since you can't put a top coat on top. So out of the colors, for it to be a Crayola colors, these are not really the typical Crayola colors that you think of crayons. You think maybe red, blue, yellow. I like that it's not the typical colors, but also it's like strange colors that you put together. They're very odd colors to put together. All in all, smell scented. There's scented smells. Some are stronger than the others. I don't know how it would smell throughout the week, or once you start doing stuff like eat or wash your hands or stuff like that throughout the week, if the smells decreases. I'm not sure about that. That's my review of these Crayola scented nail polishes by Fingrs. And so I hope you liked this review. I hope this was helpful to somebody. Before you go and click off this video, and if you made it this far, and if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel already, go down below, subscribe to my channel, and then hit the great notification bell so you'll be notified for all the other videos that I'll do. And then go into the description box, because you got homework to do, and go look at my other 2 videos that I have mentioned earlier. And subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like, share it so everybody can see. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye.